Hi, I'm Leslie Altman, Google trainer and innovator.
I've always wanted to know how to create an image and remove the background, just like I did on my opening screenshot. So I found out how easy it was. Take a selfie. Here's the selfie I took at the Using Technology Better workshop. Then all I had to do was remove the background. And I had to go to Remove BG and select a photo of which I had in my downloads, and I uploaded that into the website and clicked Remove Background. Now, if you don't want to download it now, you can go into an editing feature here and change the background color by clicking on color, and I can make it red or I can make it nice bright blue. But I'll go back to photo because I actually want to download it without a background. Okay, we're up to step 3, choose a new background. Now I'm going to do this from within Google Drawings because I can be sure by going to image and search web that I will find an image that I can use that's free of any restrictions. And let's go to the Maldives, why not? And I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to, let's choose that one. I think that one will be really nice, and I'll bring it across and I can adjust my picture, but that's not going to work as well. So what I need to do is adjust the canvas background of my drawing. Okay, last step, add your image without a background, and also I'm going to add a call out and I'll put some text in it. I always love visiting Google. Oh, the places you'll go. And that was my final product.